How to filter search result by rating, price and distance on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to find the best places near you without scrolling forever, well in this video I'll show you how to filter your Yelp search result by rating, price and distance so you can exactly find what you are looking for in seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the search bar and simply type in what you're looking for. And here, once you have typed in, you can simply search for it. And here, once you search for it, you can just tap on the filters option at the top, and this is where all the magic happens. Now here you will see several ways to narrow down your result. So here if you want only the top rated spots, you can slide the rating filter to the 4 star or dollar, and this will hide all the lower rated businesses so you can get the best of the best. And with that, next you can select your budget using the price filter. So here you can tap on one or more option from $1 sign for a budget friendly to $4 sign for upscale choices. You can mix and match to see more option. And next is to choose how far you are willing to go. So here if you scroll down and tap on distance, it will show you the options like walking distance, 2 miles or within 10 miles depending on how far you are willing to travel. And here when you're done setting your filter, you can just tap on search and it will apply to your show result, and Yelp will now display only the businesses that match your preferences. And that's it. Filtering by rating, price and distance on Yelp makes it easy to discover exactly what you want, faster and smarter. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.